I'm Sam Walters. I'm an employee of Chief-Res Drone Services. We are working today at the main festival in Belgium, and we are operating for the organization to do drone surveillance at the festival. This is a festival with 80,000 people. We are covering with 2 drones the whole festival area, also the camping area. And we fly with the tethered system because it's more easier for us to cover it because we getting up to 90 meters and the 2 drones are staying stationary, and we do everything with the camera. We are using the DJI M300 with the H2T camera, so we can switch off with thermal images, zoom images and wide images. Yeah, we were surprised about the setup time because when we want to start operating, it's ready in 10 minutes. We can be in the air. And that's also useful for us because sometimes we are obligated to get to the ground, and when we have to go up in the air, it's like 5 minutes and we are back into action. The main purpose of our operation is to monitor every single event on. It goes from people flow to medical interventions to police interventions to security interventions. So we have 2 teams, and we are communicating with the event control center. In the event control center there are police, organization, medical staff, and they are instructing us to film what is happening on the ground. This Elistair product was the best option for us.